Hey there, Stampin' friends. Welcome to Movie Monday with Jody Breckbill, Stampin' Queen. This is today's card using our new Party Pandas stamp set. I love these guys. They are just so stinking cute. And these are free during celebration, which runs from January 3rd through March 31st. So for each $50 purchase, you could pick up some Party Pandas. So this is a fun fold card that we did in my birthday class. This was a little freebie that they got extra. And this is a total case from Julie Davidson. So I loved the colors. I loved everything she did with it. And so I wanted to share that with you guys too. She did a video on it as well. And so I'm just doing a case. This is totally her idea. This is our Bubbles and Fizz Designer Series paper. This is also a celebration item as well. And it just paired so well with the stamp set. So what I did was I started off with our little panda with the party hat. I'm going to stamp him in basic black. I have found that our basic black archival gives the best look with the pandas. It comes out a real nice, thick, rich black. The other thing that you can do is keep your basic black marker handy, and if you get any little ghosty spots, just give him a color in. So then I took our stitched shape circle and I went ahead and cut him out, and I did that ahead of time here. This is, oh, here we are. This is our little teeny high stamp that is in this set, and it is just so tiny, but I just want to stamp high right there in Calypso Coral. And then I'm going to color his party hat in with lemon lime twist, Calypso Coral, and Bermuda Bay. Those are the three colors that we're using on this card. Okay, so he's done. I'm going to set him aside, and I'm going to take a piece of our Whisper White. Let me go backwards a little bit and share the, and I'll write them down. Actually, that's going to be the easier thing to do, is when I'm doing this video, I'll tell you dimensions, because if you want to recreate it, you'll definitely want to know the dimensions. So now I'm going to take the little panda with his balloon. Make sure I have him nice and inked. And I'm going to stamp him here on this Whisper White piece. And I'm going to take the Happy Birthday and do that in Calypso Coral. And then I took my lemon lime twist and just colored in that balloon. I'm going to do it real quick because you guys totally understand coloring, so I'll pretend I colored that in. So we're going to keep on moving here so you can see how this card is finished. So I have a piece of Bermuda Bay, and I'm going to attach my little panda. Ooh, all my stuff just fell. I'm going to attach my panda. Just kind of center him. This is just 5.5 by 4.25. It is not a full card. It's just a card front. Then I took a piece of lemon lime twist, and this is 1.25 inch by 5.5, and I scored it right here at 1 inch. And then I'm going to take my triple banner punch, and I'm just going to give that a little notch so we have a banner there. I'm going to do some adhesive just on my 1 inch part, and I'm going to just line that up kind of in the center like that. So that's going to go on the back, and then this will open on the front. Then my Calypso Coral piece, which is 2 3/4 by 8.5, scored right in the middle this way. I'm going to do adhesive just on this side. You could use the green glue or Tombow multi-glue, fast fuse. You could use tear and tape, whatever works for you, but you're just going to put your adhesive, excuse me, on this side, and this will close over. Okay, so your adhesive is just on the back, and it's kind of hiding that little fold there. Now, what you could do before you would attach your lemon lime strip is, if this bothers you, just take a little 1/8 of an inch off of there. So these two open this way. So once it's closed, I'm going to take my basic black piece, which is the same exact size as this Whisper White. I got pop dot stuff everywhere. And I'm totally just messed that up. Okay, so I'm not going to redo this video. Do not do this. All right, we're going to go backwards a second. I always like when I mess up because I can show you guys what not to do. Let me find another piece of basic black. That's what happens when I'm talking and not thinking. Okay, so what I want to do is only have adhesive right here. Otherwise, your little card will not even open. Okay. So now we're going to overlay the black, and it's going to cover up the white. So now we're cooking, okay? Then our DSP is going to go right over top of that black layer. And then we got our little guy here with dimensionals, which I thought I had, but so sorry. I'm making a bunch of videos at the same time, and so I keep moving things around. So my apologies for not being very prepared. Okay, so I just put 2 dimensionals on here, and ta-da, there's our little Party Panda fun fold. Thank you, Julie Davidson. And thank you guys for dropping by. I will see you next week for Movie Monday. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.